Bergens Tidende is one of the biggest regional papers in Norway. We are using the Panasonic products to keep our employees informed. We have 9 space players which we are using to project stuff on the wall, in the floor, which are wayfinders, which are showing informations, decorations and design elements. We have recently moved into Media City Bergen, a great collaboration project for all the media industries in Bergen. And we are using Panasonic products to display the latest news from all sites and all competitors.
Media City Bergen is a gathering of media companies, equipment delivers, and also the University of Bergen. They have a media department here, so also the students can come close to the people they are going to work with later. This is a very good project. I see this as a reference installation for myself and my company. So I think the people working here, they enjoy the place.